Good morning.
เนี่ยเราต้องส่งควบคู่
Those who just got here, can you please turn on your camera so I can see your face? Don't forget to turn on your camera.
Teacher, I can't open the camera.
What number is it that can turn on the camera?
29.
29, okay. How are you this morning? Good? Today we have start on lesson 9. It's about Roman number. I wonder if you know the Roman number. All right, let's get started. Today lessons, we're gonna need a class book. We're gonna need a class book and we're gonna do unit 3, lesson 9. Unit 3, lesson 9, which is on page 26. Okay, page 26. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna read and learn about the Roman number. Believe it or not, what we have learned on the number, you know, what we write, that's a symbol of the Arabic number. So what we're gonna learn today is just remember, do you remember the story time where they say the grandfather's clock is in room 14 and room 14 has written in the letters instead of Arabic number. That's called a Roman number. Do you remember that? So today we are going to study about the Roman number, which we can see it everywhere, right? So what I want you to do is to look on the screen first. And I think someone has problems getting in. And look at the word so I can translate it into the language that you're familiar and understand. So the first one, the translation of the symbol, right? The symbol is the thing that represents stuff. We can see symbols everywhere, right? In the hospital, in the mall, on the road, everywhere, right? For example, this one, the green circle things, which the background of the green circle things, it's funny actually. There's a what is it, a designer. He was like competition of, you know, compete about the symbol of recycling, and he won with this simple green arrow, which is put it in, looks like a triangle stuff. And look at this one. This one, do you know what is symbol for? Do you know what is a symbol for? I just wonder if you can hear me. Yes? Anyone, can you hear me? I just checked.
I can hear you.
Okay, good. Thank you. So you see the one that I circle. Do you know what is the symbol for? Oh, sorry. You know what's it for? The red thing. This one we call Red Cross, right? So what about down here? Men and women standing next to each other. Do you know what that's for? That is a symbol for a toilet, right? What about this one? You must know this. This one. What is it for? What is the symbol for? Anyone, do you know? What is it for, this symbol? Oh, it's turned into the rubber. This one is a symbol of no smoking. It's in the public everywhere, and you should know the basic symbol that we use in this society because it's important. Here, this is what we call the statues. This one, the Lady of Liberty, she is the gift from France that gave it to America to declare their freedom. So this one is, Lady of Liberty. And this one, I'm not sure, maybe it's Joan of Arc. And the right one is Jesus Christ. It's in, I think it's in Mexico or somewhere. I'm not sure, in South America. The symbol of, Christian. All these things we call a statue. Do our town has a famous statues? Do we have a famous statue? We do. We have Yamo, right? Yamo statue. Okay, next one is the clock versus watch. The clock, it's on the wall. You call the thing on the wall the clock, but the thing that's on your wrist, it's called a watch. Okay, you have to call it a watch. It's different. All right, next one, subtract. It's another, vocabularies in mathematics. That's called subtract. This means you erase it out. Okay, that's a subtract. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, I try to teach and please respond so I know that you understand or you even hear me, because I'm not sure if my voice system it's not good enough but I have checked before, but I just want to make sure that you can hear what I say, okay? All right, everyone, please take out your class book and turn to lesson 9. Lesson 9, Roman number. Page 26. Page 26. I feel like number 3 has tried to get in all the time. Okay, this one, everyone, are you on page 26, right? Well, listen and then repeat. Okay, listen and repeat. Everyone, please unmute your mic so I can hear you repeating it.
Listening 1.48. Look, listen, and repeat.
10,
10,
100,
100,
1000,
1000. Repeat, please.
plus,
Plus,
minus,
minus,
Minus.
equals. So these are the words that in mathematics, right? You know, plus, minus, and equals. And then down below here is the article. I'd like you to look and read along and then answers. Those who just got in, first of all, you're late. And second of all, we are on the page 26 in the class book. We're learning about the Roman number. And we are about to listening about, you know, the Roman number.
Listening 1.49. Listen, read, and answer. The Romans used symbols to represent numbers. We don't count with Roman numbers now, but we see them everywhere. We use them on some clocks and watches, on posters, and sometimes on pictures or statues.
Have you ever seen a Roman number before? Have you seen it, the Roman number? Who's trying to get in? Have you ever seen one with the Roman number?
The symbols. Here are the symbols that the Romans used. I means 1. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. M means 1000. They didn't have a symbol for 0. How to read Roman numbers? To read a Roman number, add the symbols together. Roman numbers can be very long. Look. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 8. 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 5 equals 255. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 equals 3,125. Can you read these numbers?
Can you read this number? XXI, what is it? What number is XXI? X equals 10, right?
22.
20, 21. Good. What about LXB? L equals 50.
65.
Yes, 65. How about CCC, XXX, III?
333.
Yes, 333. Good. But Roman number is not just about adding numbers, okay? There are some subtract as well. Let's take a look how they subtract the number.
Be careful. When there is a small number before a big number, you subtract the small number from the big number. Look. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 50 minus 10 equals 40. 100 minus 10 equals 90. Look at this number. XX means 20. IX means 10 minus 1, which equals 9. So the number is 29.
You following? Any number that is small number that is placed in front of the big number, you always subtract it.
Can you read these numbers?
Can you read this number? CXL. CXL. Anyone?
XL.
Yes. What number is it? C is equals 100, right?
160.
This one, L is 50. X is 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. So it's 140. Okay. Why are you using that glass again? I said it throw it away.
No, it's the new one.
Okay, next one is LIX. LIX. What are those numbers? Can you wipe the table also? I just throw away most of the garbage. You know LIX? L is 50, right? I is 1, X 10. So do you know how to subtract it? Try to. So LIX, right? L is 50, X is 1, is 10, and this is the symbol of 1, and 1 is less than 10, right? They place it in front of it, so you subtract it from 10. You don't subtract it from 50, so it is 59. Do you understand? How about XCI? Look for the symbol that is smaller. If it's smaller than the bigger one, you have to subtract it. How much is XCI? There's a symbol. This is called a Roman number. So they don't use Arabic number. Back in the day, they just use this one. Look, it's on the clock and everything, right? Have you ever noticed it before? So this one, I teach them how to do the Roman number.
Why do you need to know your number?
The Roman number. It's really easy.
But you have to memorize it.
You don't have to memorize it. After a while, you just remember it. You just only do symbol, and they have no zero. They just have that. That's why they're not popular, because they have no zero. That's why Arabic is more popular.
Oh, so it's
Anyone, can you answer XCI? What number is XCI? What? Yes. Bye-bye. So I'm gonna write it here. XCI. Okay. C is 100, right? And X is 10. Place it in front of C, smaller. So this one is 91, because we don't forget the I. Understand? All right, let's test your understanding. Go down the page. Activity 3, match the Roman numbers to the number words.
And the rest is a B.
L is 50.
X is 10, 2 10.
Let me know when you finish, okay? Strong words. Yeah, Roman number can be very long.
If it's like this one has to be same number.
Yeah, 3. That's L, right? It's 50. XX is another 20, so you go plus together, that's 70, right? And then V is 5. 5, 1, 1, 1. So that's all together is 70. No, 38. 5 plus 3, 8, right? So that's 178. Do you understand?
Might take a long time.
Yeah.
Are you finished?
No.
No.
Somebody's writing.
No, it's running out of time.
Oh, finish, teacher.
Okay, now let's do this together. What is LXXIX?
This is 79.
Yes, that's a 79 because L is 50, right? 50 plus 10 plus 9 is 79. Number 2, CCC, yes, 340. Good job. And number 3, XCIV,
94.
yes, 94. CLXXX,
180.
yes, 180. And LXXVIII,
78.
yes, 78.
78.
And the last one, CXC,
190.
yes, 190. Okay, great job. So today we're gonna end the lesson here, and I'd like you to continue on lesson 9 and 10 in the activity book next time. Okay, so when will I see you tomorrow? Same time, same place, okay? At 10:20. All right. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. All right. Even though I don't usually, okay? Understand? Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Have a nice day.